Did you hear that? Huh? Huh? Oh no! What happened?
The wind broke the branch and blew down our brand new nest. My babies are so sad. I guess we can pick a new branch.
No, baby birds. This isn't a bad thing. This is going to be so fun. Today, you're going to get a new home in a whole new tree, and you get to pick it out. Isn't that exciting? Okay, let's turn those frowns upside down.
Go on, Summer. We'll keep cleaning up over here.
You want this one for your new home? Okay. There you go. Wow! You can see the whole farm from up here. Oh no! The barn! All of Todd's work ruined! Todd! The barn was smashed up by the storm!
Oh no! Hop on! My beautiful workshop! My beautiful barn! Oh no! My beautiful paint job! Oh, all my tractor attachments! My inventions! Ruined! Follow our happy adventures on YouTube!